And Eddie, too. I've got a magnifying glass. It's going to make something look bigger. Oh, it's a caterpillar. And there's holes in the leaves. Looks like the caterpillar is feeling hungry. Wow.
There's a little flower. May I have a turn?
Go ahead.
Ah, it's a ladybird.
A ladybird? Ladybug? Whatever you want to call it.
Look who's coming.
Hello, Maisy!
Hello, Eddie.
Hello, Tallulah.
Hello, Charlie. Let me have a go with the magnifying glass. Oh! My eye is big! How about you, Eddie? Ah, the magnifying glass is making my eye look big. Whoa, look up there.
Look up in the sky. It's a hot air balloon.
I wonder what's inside the basket. Oh, it's too far away.
Never fear, Tallulah. I have just the thing for you. I'll be back.
Where's Charlie going? I don't know. The hot air balloon's getting closer.
Charlie's getting a telescope.
That's right. And I have it now. This telescope is useful, so you could see some things that are far away.
Now what's in that hot air balloon? Ah! It's the penguins! I love this telescope! This is fun! Goodbye, penguins!
Hey guys, look up there.
Ooh! It's the moon and the stars!
Here's the telescope, Eddie.
Thank you, Charlie. Now to take a closer look at the moon. Oh, it's a bat.
Can I take a look at one of the stars?
Go ahead, Maisy. What do you see?
Well, I saw a star twinkling in the sky. Pretty. It's Charlie's turn to look at the stars.
Thank you, Maisy. I'll take a closer look. Ah, look at that star. Oh!
Surprise!
Oh!
Don't be scared, Charlie. It's just Tallulah on my back.
Let's go home. It's getting dark.
And remember to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe.
Goodbye.
See ya. Peace.
Bye.